What's up YouTube? It's Joel Too Cool. Today's video I'm going to use the Griot's Garage Glass Sealant and I'm going to demonstrate how to apply, and then at the end we're going to show you a 50-50 of what the glass looks like treated and non-treated. So why would anyone want to use a glass sealant? What a glass sealant does is it adds a protective barrier to the glass that is extremely hydrophobic, which is going to sheet off water, dirt, debris, dust, prevent anything from sticking to the glass, making maintenance cleanings very easy, and making visibility significantly better in all weather conditions. So enough talk about this product. Let's actually get it and put it to use. So let's go ahead and take a look at the glass here. You will see that it's covered with bug guts. It's pretty dirty. It's not pre-cleaned. It's not treated. I'll go over to the other side here just so we got a fair view of the whole windshield. See over here is a buildup of dirt and dust from the wipers wiping off during the rain. Just kind of collects off to the side. Don't forget to clean underneath the wipers. See, they pile of dirt here. So, all right, let's go ahead and we'll start cleaning the glass and move forward. All right, so phase one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take Adam's glass cleaner and we're just gonna clean the glass. This is just to remove any of the dirt and dust, light stuff that's stuck to the surface that we can just simply wipe off with a regular old glass cleaner. I'm not going to do it in any fancy or fashionable way. I'm not going to do the box method or whatever method of glass you prefer to clean. This is just to get the light debris off because we are going to clay bar next. Don't forget to get underneath the wipers. And I'll do off camera, I'll actually clean the wiper blades themselves so that it doesn't smear any more dirt onto the surface. Stage two. Like I said, we're gonna now get the clay bar and we're gonna use Adam's glass cleaner as a lubricant. You do need a lubricant because if you were to just try to use the clay bar on a dry surface, it would just stick and smear and it wouldn't actually do you any good. And as you're sliding across, you'll be able to feel those impurities as you're sliding across the glass. When the clay bar starts to stick as you're sliding it back and forth, you'll know that there's more debris there or more impurities stuck to the glass that you need to come back through and make sure you get. So after we've clay barred the surface, now we're going to go back through and just do a simple cleaning. This is just for any of the debris that we may have knocked free with the clay bar. It doesn't stay stuck to the glass when we apply the sealant, because once the sealant is applied, anything underneath it will be stuck in its place. Now we're going to move on to the sealant. We're just going to take a microfiber towel and we're going to drizzle some of the sealant onto the towel, as you can see. Doesn't need a whole awful lot. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to do back and forth and up and down in a crosshatch pattern. The purpose behind this is just to ensure that we get even coverage across all of the surface. And keep in mind here that if you did in fact miss a spot, we are going to do this a second time, as the instructions require you to apply the sealant twice to the glass just to ensure that all surface is covered. Now we'll look at the glass here. When you see it in the light, you can really see the haze that starts to form. That's a good thing. That's what you want to see. Now we'll go ahead and we'll apply the second coating. And once again, this is to ensure that we did not miss any spots. As well, it'll be a few drops onto the microfiber towel. And then we'll do the same thing. The crosshatch pattern back and forth and up and down to ensure even coverage. And after we completely cover this whole surface, what we're going to do is we're going to let it haze for approximately 2 minutes. And the final step for that will then be to buff off all of the excess. Once again, here in the light, you can see the haze that it creates. Unfortunately, the camera is not picking it up without the direct light, but without the camera here, you can actually see the haze all across the glass with your eyes, so you'll know if you missed a spot. So taking a clean microfiber towel, we're just going to buff off all the excess. And we've let it sit for approximately 2 minutes. You can see the haze, even through the camera here, is pretty obvious. You want to make sure that none of that haze remains on the glass after you buff it off. There's no rhyme or rhythm to buffing this off. There's no specific pattern you need to take. All you're doing is just ensuring that all of the haze is off of the glass so that you can now see through it clearly. And as you can see here, there's an obvious difference between the left and the right side. You can tell which side is cleaned and sealed. You can also see the trail of where I missed some spots down here at the bottom of the glass. Go back through and touch that up, but I'll wait until I do the other half of the glass. Like I said, you can clearly see down the center of the glass there, the trail from where the sealant was on one side and not on the other. Alright, this is what everyone's been waiting for. 50-50, we're going to spray it down. I think it's pretty clear who the winner is here.
Get closer on the side, so it's up close.
See, the water just sheds right off. It's beautiful. Then if we go over here and look at the other side, you can see that the water is just hanging up and taking its sweet old time going down the glass. So I think this product deserves an A+. It's outstanding. You can clearly see the obvious difference. Let me know what you think about this product down below in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.